Hey creative people, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to make this quick and easy sensory bag, please stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Here's what you're going to need: some lotion, a ZipLock bag, food coloring, and some tape. So you're going to start out by putting the lotion in a ZipLock bag. Put as much lotion as you need to have the lotion distributed throughout the bag. So I can't really give you guys a measurement on how much to put, but what I did was I put enough in there, I zipped it up, and then I kind of like smushed it around, and if I didn't have any clear spots, I'm good. So just use as much or as little as you want. Now go ahead and add your food coloring, about a couple drops, 3 to 4 drops will be fine. And then you're going to smush it all around into the bag. We decided to do 2, so I'm putting yellow in another bag, and I think I'm going to sneak some green somewhere in there. So take your tape and put the bag on any flat surface you want. You can use it on a window, a door, a wall. We're putting mine on our glass coffee table because I think that's going to have a cool effect when we're done. But any flat surface you want, just go ahead and tape it on there and then start doodling. You can use toys to draw pictures. You can use your fingers. Activity helps kids in their motor skills. You can draw letters, like I said, so this can help with literacy. You guys can use it as a chalkboard. You can spell things, or they can just have fun just creating a lot of little shapes and everything. So I think you guys should try this one. I'm pretty sure you guys have all the materials at home anyway. So just get you a bag, get you some food coloring, lotion, and have fun. If you guys do this project, please, please, please tag me on Instagram to it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video because that helps me out in this wonderful world of YouTube, and it helps me crank more content out for you as well. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Guys, have fun with this project, and I will see you next time. Bye.